So today I'm checking out this OEMTools Ultra Soft Fender cover. Now if you watch my channel, you know I don't generally use fender covers because, well, you don't need fender covers when you have pristine flat black paint jobs such as this one. But I have made a couple upgrades to the fleet recently and I probably should start using a fender cover. Okay, but what's the big deal about this one? There are plenty of fender covers that aren't like this. I do have some other fender covers that are old and they're kind of like made out of neoprene. So they're kind of like a, almost a foam. This, however, should be cloth. It also has, I can actually feel that it's got magnets in the quarters so that it won't fall off of your car. Now I know you want to know how much I paid for it, and I'm not going to tell you. Please click the link in the description. It'll take you to Amazon to where you could buy this if you wanted to. It will also tell you the latest price. I mean, I have videos now that are 3-4 years old where I'm discussing stuff at Amazon, and of course the price has changed, and so what I paid for this might not be what the price will be when you're watching this video, so please just click the link. So let's get this open. Of course we have our little silica bag. Don't eat that, it's not food. This has some little flaps on the side here. There was a commenter, I always read the reviews on Amazon, who said that the magnet in here, and I can feel it, flew out of this little pouch and put a big huge scratch on their car. So with that in mind, I'm being very careful about how I'm opening this up. You read some of those comments on Amazon and you wonder how true they are. Oh, look at that! Look at that! I'm going to say that that comment is accurate. Yeah, look at that. So, very accurate. This can definitely come flying right out of the corner here and leave a scratch all over your car. Yeah. So all right, OEMTools, you got some explaining to do with that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this magnet and I'm gonna take this one out of here. Well, I don't really need to do that. We can just, it's just gonna come right out. I don't need to take the Velcro off. I thought for sure that maybe the Velcro was just loose on that guy's cover that he got. I mean, who would suspect... I'll just put those over there. Who would suspect that they would put magnets in here and make it so the pouch didn't close enough to keep the magnet contained? That doesn't make any sense. Yeah, here's your pouch. You could put a big hulking magnet in here and close this up and it's not coming out. I really like this concept though. That's a shame that they did that because this is a pretty nice product otherwise. You take those magnets out of there and this is pretty nice. It is definitely very soft. There's nothing on here that's going to scratch your car for sure. That's a shame about that. And probably what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put the magnet back in here and sew this whole thing shut so the magnet can't come out. I don't know why you'd want to be able to remove the magnets. They're not super strong or by any means. I mean, I can take these two that are stacked and but nothing to taking that off. So they're not super high powered magnets, but there we go. Just one magnet through the whole thing. You can see it is dangling from the side of the car. The magnet holds it, so the magnet is certainly strong enough. But yeah, that's a swing and a miss. So if you buy one, take the magnets out, sew up the pockets, something, do something with that. Otherwise, it's a nice fender cover. I don't understand why they did that. Doesn't make a lot of sense. Also, the shipping was really long on this. I think it took 2 weeks for it to get to me. Now, to be fair, I may have ordered it Christmas Day, so that might have something to do with it. Maybe they were just out. I don't know. For what it is as a fender cover, without the magnets, I like it. So yeah, but use those magnets at your own risk. Thanks for watching. I'll see you down the road. I've actually gone back and forth a couple different times with this now, and this should pretty much do it. I already sewed this side. Now this side's sewed, and look. Now it's a much smaller pocket. And we can throw our magnet in there. And it is not coming out. There you go, OEM Tools. I fixed it for you.